Hello everybody, now we change to paper 2, still math AAHL. Question number 1 is about found BV, so look at B and B here. This is a three-dimensional Pythagoras theorem. So number A, BV equals square root 1 by 1, okay, 6 minus 3 all square, 3 square is 9. And then A minus 4 all square, 4 square is 16. And 0 minus 9 all square, 81. So remember, you can have calculator, so use the calculator. Remember to mark the data for significant first for the later use, and then mark it as V significant for the final answer. It's crucial step, okay? So B, okay, talk about what is the angle BVC. First, mark the angle BVC on the diagram. Okay, and then look at the question, pyramid. Vertex. Oh, so these two lines are the same, both are 10.3. So you mark 10.3 here, it helps you. Always remember, mark the thing on the diagram. And then you can see cosine rule, right? So how was this base BC 8? So you got it. So you can use a cosine rule, right? So a squared equals 10.3 0 all square plus 10.3 0 all square minus 2 10.3 0 all square and cosine angle BBC. If your school has different symbol for angle BBC, but just follow the past period, okay? Then calculate the time. Just work on it hard, and then it's the last step. So just write it as V significant is excellent. So this one is 0.798. You can use the gradient, or you can use the degree. Just make sure you know the mode of your calculator. Got it? About that.